This chapter describes how to operate the robot with the PBX jog key. From the initial menu screen, select Operation, then Jog to display the jog screen. The current position is shown in the blue screen area labeled Current. The numbers 1 to 6 are axis numbers, and the current position is displayed to the right of them. The current position value changes according to the selected unit. The numbers displayed on the right side of the FLG are the current arm posture of the SCARA robot, 1 for the right arm and 2 for the left arm. The numbers displayed in FG1 and FG2 are arm posture information only for YKTW series. The registered point data is displayed in the middle of the screen. The 5-digit number following P is the point number, value range is 0 to 29,999. You can change the point number by entering a numerical value. It can also be changed with the up-down cursors. The registered point data is displayed below the point number. I will explain the coordinate system. When you move the robot with the jog key, the movement will differ depending on the selected coordinate system. There are 3 types of display in coordinate system. It can be confirmed on blue screen area. Pulse stands for pulse coordinate system. This is simply the motor pulse position for each axis. stands for Cartesian coordinate system based on the robot installation. tool stands for coordinate system based on the tooltip position. The display changes each time the F4 key is pressed. The display of the current position changes according to the selected coordinate system. When pulse is selected, motor pulse count is displayed in integer value. When or tool is selected, the robot tip position in respective coordinates is displayed in real value. Let's take a closer look at the coordinate system settings. First is the pulse coordinate system. This figure shows the moving direction of the robot when you press the PBX jog operation key. The current position of each axis motor is displayed in pulse value. When you press the jog key, the motor of the pressed axis will move. Next is the robot coordinate system. This figure shows the moving direction of the robot when you press the PBX jog operation key. The current position of the robot is displayed in the Cartesian coordinate system. In the SCARA robot, the rotation center of the first axis is the coordinate origin, 0 position. Please note that the positive direction of the coordinates is as shown in the figure. When you press number 1 jog key, the robot moves in the x-axis coordinate direction. Number 2 key is for the y-axis coordinate direction. Number 3 key is for the z-axis coordinate direction. Number 4 key rotate the robot tip on the xy plane. Next is the tool coordinate system. This figure shows the moving direction of the robot when you press the PBX jog operation key. The current position of the robot is displayed in the Cartesian coordinate system. In the SCARA robot, the rotation center of the first axis is the coordinate origin, 0 position. In order to move the robot in the tool coordinate system, it is necessary to set hand data that defines the position of the tool tip. When moving the robot in the tool coordinate system, the orientation of the coordinate system changes according to the tool tip orientation. In the tool coordinate system, press the number 1 and number 2 jog key to move the robot toward the tool tip. When you press the number 4 jog key, it rotates around the tool tip. Let's actually move the robot by jog operation. By pressing the jog key, two types of movement, jog and inching, are possible. You can select according to how you press the jog key. First, let's look at the jog movement. It moves continuously as long as the jog key is pressed, and it stops when released. The jog speed can be adjusted within the range of 1 to 100%. You can edit it by pressing the F1 key. Be sure to check the speed setting before pressing the jog key. It is dangerous if it moves faster than expected. Next, let's look at the inching movement. When you press the jog key once, it moves a little and then stop. The inching distance can be adjusted within the range of 1 to 10,000 micron. You can edit it by pressing the F2 key. Be sure to check the inching setting before pressing the jog key. It is dangerous if it moves more than expected. This concludes the explanation of the jog operation.